brand new day. Yeah, it's a slow burn, keeping it sweet, finding our balance, finding the beat. Nowhere to be and no time to lose, just a funky kind of love that I choose. Just me and you, taking the view. Gold lines cutting across the floor. You don't have to head out the door. The kettle hums a low, soft plea, just a quiet kind of history. Slow days are the ones we keep before the heavy hours turn deep. Just the light and the way you are, no distance, no need to travel far, no need to go, just taking it slow. Sunlight tracing patterns on the plaster, the ceramics holding on to all the heat. Seconds aren't moving any faster, and the tempo's finally finding its own feet. Whatever we're doing, it's enough. Coffee stains and records on the shelf. It's not complicated, it's not tough, just keeping to ourselves. The world outside can wait until the moon. I'm perfectly okay right here in this room. Steam rising off the rim of a ceramic mug, sunlight bending through the glass. You're tracing a rhythm I don't quite know, watching the minutes slowly pass. Just enough, just enough, just enough, just enough. Not chasing shadows, just holding the light, folding the static into the fold. The hum of the morning, it pulls us in tight. Stories left waiting, stories told. Just enough, just enough. Lights down low in the living room space. I'm lost in the rhythm and the look on your face. No need for the words, we're just drifting away in the funky little world that we made here today. Soft touch, high frequency, feeling so static, feeling so light. Just you and the static and the hum of the night. Weightless and free, just you and me, floating on a funky chill melody. Weightless and free, in the silent groove we find our place, hanging in the static of a sweet embrace. Yeah, we're weightless and free, just you and me. Good night.
Morning light hitting the frame, every shadow looking just the same. You're moving slow, coffee in the air, nothing pressing, nothing left to wear. Yeah, it's a good kind of slow, watching the way the quiet hours go. Just you and me in the steady groove, Loving the way that we don't have to